for the free agents pack. So I'm gonna open that. It's the Elite one. So we want Clutchio Sonelli with Trey Tuna, I think it is. Okay, there's an update. Oh, George Iloka. Okay, it's a good pull. Let's see how much he goes for. Yeah, by the way, it's my first video, so leave a like, subscribe, if you like the video, of course, so yeah, but let's see how much this George Iloka is. I don't think I spelled George right. So, oh wait, no, I did, oh shit, he goes for like, probably goes for like 70K, shit, sorry for this voice. Oh shit, he goes for more. 80, 1, 2, 3. Oh, he goes for more than 80K. Let's try 85. Okay, he goes for 80K. Oh man. Oh, dang. 96. I'm not gonna put him on the team because I'm low in coins and I only have like 2K. So yeah, I'm gonna sell him. Gonna make some profit. I might sell these. I'm just gonna sell these later, the trophies. But yeah, so that's my video, guys, and hope you liked it. So yeah.